Hey everyone, in this video I want to share my personal experience of getting Telegram Premium. First, let's have a look at the features Telegram Premium actually offers. Large file uploads, faster download speeds, no ads, and one of the key features that I like the most is voice-to-text transcription. And I didn't even mention animated premium stickers and many other cool features. A few months ago, I asked myself a simple question: how can I get Telegram Premium features without actually paying for it? My friend has been working as a programmer for decades, suggested a solution, and now I want to share it with you guys. And I want to emphasize that this method is completely legal. There's no hacking involved, no APK files, because the app is officially available on App Store. So let's get into it. In order to start, we go to App Store or Google Play and enter Nicegram. Once you've entered it, please make sure it's spelled correctly and that the icon looks exactly as you see it on the screen right now. Next, we download it. And to save your time, I've already downloaded it and completed verification. And to activate Telegram Premium features, we need to enter the promo code. That's gonna pop up on the screen right now. So here's the promo code. Next, we go to the Nicegram tab at the bottom. Here it is. Then we proceed to the promo code section. A chatbot will open, and here we can see that I've already activated this promo code. So, but now I'll enter it all over again, and we're gonna see the exact same message. So once you've activated the promo code, you can check all the features. So I'm gonna start with going to my saved messages. Let's see if I can use animated stickers. Yeah, as you can see, here they are. They're all available. That's great. After that, let's try converting a voice message to text. Hello, how are you? So it's transcribing now. And remind you guys, it has nothing to do with hacking or third-party clients. It's available on the official App Store and Google Play. In the meantime, yep, all done. We can see a voice-to-text feature works as well. I got a transcript, and I don't know how long this life hack is gonna work, but overall, I'm totally satisfied. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, and hit that like button. More life hacks are coming soon. Thanks for watching.